Hey guys, today I am going to be cooking up a classic recipe, which is beef stroganoff, which is a Russian recipe dating back to the 19th century, believe it or not. Anyway, I was raised on beef stroganoff. It's delicious and it's really simple. There are a lot of variations of beef stroganoff. Some is made with steak. This one is using ground beef, so it's really affordable and it's really simple and delicious. And remember that all my recipes are right down below, so I encourage you to make them. Okay, so I have my little assistant, my sous chef, Juliet. She's crazy. She's ready to get started. So we're gonna start with a nice heated deep skillet slash pan and 2 tablespoons of butter. Okay, we're gonna melt that first. So, all right, we are melting butter. I have chopped up about 1 cup of finely minced onion that we're gonna saute first. Okay, melt it. All right, do you wanna put the onions in?
Just do this?
And use your hand to scrape the rest out. Okay.
Ew, I don't want to use my hand.
Okay, all right, mix them around without throwing them out of the pan.
Like
Please.
this?
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna let the onions saute first for a couple of minutes, and then we're gonna add in the garlic and the ground beef. I'm using a ground chuck. Juliet spilled broth everywhere, which is fantastic. All right, so after about 2 minutes of the onion cooking, you can add a nice big clove of garlic. You wanna scrape that for me? Okay, this end. That. Hang on.
And then just mix it around?
Yeah, a little more.
Looks like an egg's in there, Mama.
You think so?
Cut the garlic looks like an egg when you scrape it.
You think? All right, and I'm using 1 pound of ground chuck. Break it up with your hands a little bit. All right, carefully mix that, Juliet. Carefully.
This is not a good thing.
Okay, let me help.
It smells good, but I don't really like vegetables.
Well, I put onions in everything. Okay. Okay, so mix your ground beef around, and then you can add some black pepper, about 1/4 to 1/2 of a teaspoon. No, you're gonna do the salt. Okay. And then a teaspoon of salt.
Remember, I put it on the side.
Remember that?
I know I'm gonna do it.
Okay, mix that around. Okay. So keep mixing the beef every couple minutes as it's cooking, and then when it's no longer pink and it's cooked, I'll tell you what we're gonna do next. Okay, the beef is cooked through. Takes about 6-7 minutes total, and then we're gonna thicken things up a little bit with 2 tablespoons of flour, okay, and get that all mixed in. There's a good chance I lost my assistant. She fizzled pretty quick. Okay, and then to that, we're gonna add 1 cup, we're gonna start with a cup, maybe add more, we'll see, of beef broth. Okay, and then 1 cup of heavy cream. Yummy, good stuff right there. Make it extra rich and tasty. And typically beef stroganoff is served over egg noodles, which I've already cooked. I love egg noodles. They're so light and delicious, and they have a little extra protein. All right, we're gonna put some more salt. So 1 teaspoon of salt goes in. A little more pepper. And 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Love the taste of this. Hey, where'd you go? You're done with me, Missy? She's done. Okay, so I'm gonna keep that on a high heat and let it come to a boil and get nice and thick, or at least thicker than this. And that's it. Pour this over egg noodles and I sprinkle the top with some fresh parsley. We're talking about simple, healthy, delicious. Okay, so we're gonna let this thicken. I'll be right back. Okay, so here's the cooked egg noodles. I always put a little olive oil so that they don't stick. And then we can take this super tasty, simple sauce to finish off our beef stroganoff. So you just want to mix it really, really well and saturate those noodles. Julia, are you gonna come and help me? Come on, come on, there's one thing left to do and I really need your help. Come on, baby. Ooh, how good does this look? Does this look tasty and smell fantastic? What do you think? Tell everybody, does it look good and smell great? Oh, it doesn't? Okay, are you gonna pout or are you gonna shape up? Okay, Juliet, can you sprinkle some fresh parsley over the top? Gonna give it a little splash of color and a little extra flavor. No, use your fingers. It's better if you use your fingers and then you can spread it out nicer. Okay. Good. So there you have it. Simple beef stroganoff, 10-minute dinner. Right, Juliet? Yeah. So go out and make it. And don't forget to follow me on social media. And I just want to wish everybody a really happy and blessed new year. Happy 2020. Thanks for watching. Love you.